go themselves just do all this stuff for us.
¿Te gusta el pollo? Un longo pechugón, este día algo más valioso y no te cobro un bellón. Cargando aquella cruz por aquel callejón y somos famosos allí llega Cristóbal Colón. ¿Te gusta el pollo? Un longo pechugón, este día algo más valioso y no te cobro un bellón. Cargando aquella cruz por aquel callejón y somos famosos Rambo que Sylvester Stallone. Una vez más el MA está de vuelta y lo que yo traigo deja a la gente revuelta. Rambo disparó y derribó todas las puertas. Y los que iban en mi contra perdieron todas las apuestas. Estaba 10-1 que yo me quitaba. Estaba 10-1 que la...
Never seen your face, been touched before but never your embrace. Had a soul to lose and the world to gain, but then you whispered my name. And I heard the truth but never from your lips. Bought the lies and made the counterfeits. Dreamed my dreams but they were never in color, and I searched for you and many others. I was down for the count, for the count. Then I saw your face, just a glimpse of your face and my whole world changed.
¿Cómo se siente saber que vas a correr por los Olímpicos de México?
Pues muy bien, ya estamos preparados, un mes de preparación.
¿Cómo te sientes de jugar aquí correr por los Olímpicos?
Pues bien, ¿qué puedo decir? Estoy agradecido con mi pueblo. Tú sabes, che, lo hago por mi pueblo, Guatemala.
I'm gonna represent my people from my heart. I just hope my legs can represent as they should outside.
The country gave him a special clover.
What were you thinking?
Seriously, I have never prayed before like anything like a sport or anything. And I didn't ask like God to win. I was like, God, please just give me the strength to finish and like let me be strong and like it's really cool.
What was your strategy while you ran?
Nothing. They motivated me. I heard them behind me, so I just kept my pace. Deep breaths, you know, I like to run, so it was okay.
What were you thinking while you ran? What was on your mind?
Nothing, just my music. Nothing much, yeah, just music.
Cool.